This is the video and audio quality of the iPhone SE 2020 at around arm's length. This is the video and audio quality of the iPhone SE 2020 at around 2 meters distance using its one and only main back camera. That means that it hasn't got a wide angle lens as many of the other phones I test on this channel. But you can compare them if you press up here. This is a test of stabilization and contrast on the iPhone SE 2020 using its selfie cam. I'm holding this with one arm as I want to have control of what I'm blocking. Right now I'm in this very bright sunlight. In a moment I'll be going into a tunnel. Of course, what you want to look out for while I'm just waiting to go into the tunnel is how well does it stabilize in your opinion. Is it stabilizing enough? And now we are going into the tunnel. What you want to look out for here, does it give enough light to my face without blowing up the background? It does pick up the colors. You can see it actually blows up the background quite a bit. But if you're a serious vlogger, you want to have attention to your face, so perhaps it's just a trade-off you can live with. This is the tunnel, and you can also hear the sound, of course, of the phone. This is a test of dynamic range and contrast on the iPhone SE 2020. And what you want to look out for is how fast does it make up the right amount of light in each of these pictures. We're varying from very light, direct sunlight of course, and then somewhat darker but colorful foreground of Greta Thunberg, and then even darker grass right here. And as you can see, the iPhone SE 2020 is a monster fast of compensating and making up for all of these kind of situations. I can bet it. We're shooting at 4K 60 frames per second, Greta Thunberg, as always. Okay, so this is a test of stabilization on the iPhone SE 2020 using its back camera. I'm actually holding this right now with two hands, so it should make up for the most stabilized picture at all. And I'm sorry about the train going by, but you should be able to pick up some sound also, and perhaps even some noise from all the wind. There's actually quite a bit of wind right today. Nice job. This is the evening shot on the iPhone SE 2020 using its selfie cam. I only got 3 lights also in this room. I got that one, I got that one, and I got this one, which is always the tricky one, because how fast does it focus on the lamp, and then on me, and then back again, and how much light does it give to my face even though it's directly in front of the lamp? That's up to you to decide, but I can just tell you straight off the bat, this is some of the fastest I've seen. And I'm now speaking from May 2020.
And then to take a bunch of burst shots, you can click the shutter button and swipe to the left-hand side. It'll take a bunch.
Okay, so this is just a test of the zoom range on the iPhone SE 2020. This is exactly 5 meters. This is as close as it'll get on that 5 meters wall. But you can say, okay, so it only zooms 5 meters, but it is very clear what it focuses in on. It's a bit sad that it hasn't got just one wide angle lens. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy Vlogger's Delight. This is the video and audio quality of the Samsung. This is the evening shot on the iPhone. Hey, if I was an Italian guy with rich foamy hair, should I be doing a fun giveaway?